Hi y'all, we're back with another video.
What's up? We're back with another video. And today we have, I'm going to officially introduce y'all to my babies. We have, what's your name? Zoe, and we have, what's your name? Bailey. So, guess who's going to do the cheese pour?
Me.
Yay! Alright, so go ahead and pour the cheese. Be careful, it's a little hot.
Okay.
Got it? You need my help?
And I will let
Move that hand. Move your that, yeah.
Mom, I got it. Mom.
Don't touch, but it's going hot. It's going to be hot. Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Mommy, I feel like eating.
You feel like eating now? Okay.
Yeah. Mommy.
What, baby? You want to pour some too?
Mommy, I want to eat now.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Woo.
We need to mix it.
You want to mix it up? I'm going to put some in your bowl.
Okay.
Alright. So, we have
noodles and cucumber.
Yep, noodles, cheese, and cucumber.
Mommy, but Yaya didn't get the chicken.
Yaya is Will, y'all. That's what she called her. What? This is their lunchtime, so they legit hungry, y'all. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Mommy, give me.
Hey, you want purple? No, put it right there.
Don't say anything, Yaya. Mommy.
What?
Please.
You need what? Look at her, y'all. Oh, snap. All right, but you did do it. You did a good job too.
Oh.
You made a mess a little bit. You want that on your noodles?
It feels so
There
good.
Here. You got cheese in your bowl. Ain't that?
Guys, I don't like pink anymore. I like gold like mommy now.
She don't like pink, y'all. So, yeah, we have Zoe and Bailey for y'all. How old are you?
4. I'm still 4.
She's still 4. And how old are you?
I'm 4.
2.
You know what I got for Christmas? I got a big Elsa doll and a brush so I can brush my hair. Well, that's my unicorn brush.
Did you enjoy your Christmas?
What else I got for Christmas, Mommy? Because I didn't remember.
You got American Doll.
Oh yeah, I got American Doll and a football for her because she can relax.
Yeah. And
Mommy?
Yes.
I want to eat one cucumber.
Go ahead. Eat whatever. What else you get? You know, mommy memory, girl. What else you get, babe?
I'm not here.
Hey,
I was in the movie.
guys, I got a jumpy dinosaur. And,
Oh yeah.
And I got what else I got? Let me go see in my room what I got else. Mom, do you think I'll get the door?
She's going to go see what else she got, y'all.
I'm going to see my room.
She said she's going to go see in their room. Where you going?
I think to my room.
Y'all just going to leave me?
No, I go there.
Y'all. They just left me. How y'all doing today? We missed y'all.
For Christmas.
What? Come over here and tell her. Careful.
I know I got 2 for Christmas.
What did you get?
I just got a bounce.
Take your time. Breathe. Take your time and breathe. That's why I asked you, babe, so they wouldn't go upstairs. I knew they was gonna go upstairs.
I'm not here.
Mommy.
Where you bring this?
This is my Elsa.
This is Elsa bath time soap.
You mean paint?
I mean bath time activity set. It comes with 4 paints, 4 crayons, 4 brushes, stamp, and you can play with it in the tub.
But you can't put it on your skin.
Yeah. Well, not yours. You have sensitive skin. Your noodles good?
It's so cheesy. I like cheesy noodles.
You got it? So,
Oh.
you want to tell them a little bit about you? You want to tell them your favorite color?
I like gold now.
Okay. And
I got 2. I like 2 colors.
okay, what's your other color?
Purple.
Mmm.
Mom, I
was
got
pretty.
color green.
Well, you like green? We can't see you, but she over here, y'all. Come on, bring your bowl over. There you go.
Mommy, this is so sweet and tasty.
Daddy made the cheese.
The cheese is sweet. It's yummy, Mom. Mommy, can I get some more?
Yeah. Try to give you all the cheesy noodles.
Yummy. Mommy, I need you some more.
You want more?
Come on, those.
There you go. Yummy.
Lada, Mommy.
Lot.
Got
So,
lots.
do you know what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a fighter and a ballerina and a princess and an art teacher.
And an art teacher? Oh, you can be all of those. You know that, right?
I'll be an art teacher.
You want to be an art teacher too?
I need a pizza.
Well, you are creative too. You got some more cheese?
Oh.
Okay, put it back. You want some more cheese?
Yeah.
There you go. They want a little bit of noodle with their cheese, y'all. So, Bailey, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I need to be a teacher.
A teacher.
And a grown-up.
And a what?
Grown-up.
A grown-up? Okay.
Mommy, this is the last one and I grow up. I want to be a genie.
A genie? Girl.
Me too.
I think you should stick to being an art teacher and a firefighter.
Mommy,
and a ballerina.
Mommy,
Yeah.
princess. I need to be.
You're already a princess.
Mommy, I need a princess.
Yeah, you both of y'all already princess. No, don't lick that cheese, y'all. She act like just like her father. There's enough cheese on there. All right.
The cheesy noodles are good.
They are. Yummy.
I need to on this.
Anything else you want to tell them? What? No. Talk regular so they can understand you.
Okay. I got a pink cup.
You taste what's in your cup?
Huh?
You taste it?
I did taste it.
Taste it. You taste it already?
No.
It's not water.
Is it soda? It's soda!
It's the milky soda.
Oh. It's milky soda, Mommy.
Milky soda.
Oh, you mean that strawberry stuff and we drank last night?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
You like it?
Yep.
You like it? Oh, okay.
You know what I got for what mommy got me from the store? Mhm. An Elsa slipper.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, mommy.
I'm full.
Oh my guys. I'm
You
not
want
full.
what?
I'm not full now.
You're not full yet?
Mm-hmm. What next, guys?
What? Look, she want to show y'all my stuff. Alright.
Mine, what kind of game is that?
It's not yours. It's a trick game. It's a trick.
What kind of trick?
It's
game?
like a prank.
Why, what kind of prank?
Like you scratch it off and you pretend you win a lot of money, but you don't because it's fake.
That's a baby cat!
It's not real. Hey, shh. No.
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 It's for you. Game.
I cannot take you. I would tell your father everything.
You beat it in the drawer.
Alright, tell everybody that don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Are we done with this? Yeah.
Yeah, this video.
Yeah. Now time for the sweets.
The sweets.
Sweet juice.
It's good.
Now come and try and share this video with everyone.
Yes. Say bye.
Thumbs
Tell them
up.
put the thumbs up, Bailey.
Put the thumbs up.
Say bye. Say put your thumbs up.
I'm
Say
fed.
thumb up.
No.
Girl.
Not already yet.
It is over. Bye.
I'm fed.
You Fred.